Hi there, my name is Sam, and in this multi-video course, you'll learn everything you need to know to build a custom cart drawer like the one we can see right here for your Shopify store and without code. So let's dive into it. At the top of this cart is a reward bar, motivating people to unlock free shipping. Currently, we're $49 away from unlocking free shipping, and when we set the reward to 100%, we can also see what the bar looks like when free shipping is unlocked, and of course, we can customize this. Underneath are the product items, so the products that are in the cart that you can add more of and delete. Underneath that is a product upsell slider where you can highlight relevant products that customers might want to add to their cart. And underneath that is the footer with the checkout button and payment icons. This cart has a filled state, so when there are products in the cart, it looks like this. And this cart also has an empty state, so what the cart looks like when there are no products in the cart. And of course, this can also be customized, which we will cover in this course. In general, the easiest way to get started is by going into the Insert panel, and under Templates, we can open the template library. Within the template library, we go to Cards, and here we can find an overview of all the different templates that you can choose from wireframes to cards of popular brands like Feastables and Rode. But in this course, to truly learn the ins and outs of a cart, we will build our cart drawer from scratch. And building from scratch requires working with elements. So again, in the Insert panel, we can go to Elements, and then as we scroll down under Shopify, we can find Cart. And here we can find all the different elements that we can use to build our cart from scratch. And in this course, we will work with every single element, build it, customize it, and learn everything we need to know about it to truly understand it. We have the header and footer, the product items, the product upsell slider, the reward bar. Then we also have a cart add-on element. With that, customers can add a product to their cart with a simple toggle that, for example, could be shipping protection. Then we have the cart countdown and payment icons. So there is enough to cover in this course, and I hope you're just as excited about it as I am, and see you in the next episode.